Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this BoyKeep K34 2K Pan Tilt Zoom indoor security camera. This thing is a smart security camera, which means you can go ahead and view the footage from your phone. You can also get real-time notifications when there's motion alerts. You can also just log on and watch the camera, move it around, look at the different views. This thing moves so it can go up and down, left and right, and you can see around the room. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Right on top in the box, we have a USB-C to a USB-A cable. This is for powering up the device. It's nice and long. And you've got the wall brick right here, so you can go ahead and plug it in with ease. This camera can go ahead and sit on top of a tabletop, for instance, or you can also mount it on the wall. It's got 2 drywall hooks and 2 screws included, so you can go ahead and do that if you like. Here is the camera itself. We have this mounting guide right here if you do want to mount it on the wall, and we've got the user manual. So here is the camera itself. As you can see, it's this nice cute little form factor. It sits nicely out of the way and it does look very nice, so if anybody does happen to see it, it will not intrude on the aesthetics of the room at all. On the back here, we've got that USB-C port for powering it up. On the front, we've got this call button, so you can go ahead and press this if you're in the room with the camera, and it will call up the user who has the app on their device. So for instance, if your kids are at home and you're away at work, they can go ahead and press this and call you and talk to the camera, which will then go ahead and connect to you. So it has a two-way talk feature. That's very nice. On the back right here is a speaker. This is where you'll go ahead and hear whatever is being said through the phone. This thing, if you go ahead and move it up like that, you'll see right here we got this micro SD card slot, so you can go ahead and save any footage straight to a micro SD card. There's also the reset button right here. So basically, this thing goes up and down. It can go ahead and track motion, but you can also go ahead and control it from the app. This is the camera. It's also got the spotlight right here, so you go ahead and ward off any intruders or light up the area where you are filming. And then this will go ahead and look at that. Very nice rotation. It's like an owl's eyesight. It really goes all the way around. On the bottom here, you can see this is where you'll mount it in to the wall if you choose to do it that way. So it has the spots for the 2 screws. It also has these nice pads to make sure that your tabletop does not get scratched at all from the camera. Overall, I highly recommend this K34 camera from BoyKeep. Thanks for watching.